Hello guys, New Apple Times here, welcome to a new video, and today we have a very exciting video because we are unboxing the brand new Pride Edition Apple Watch band from 2024. Okay, so it is that time of the year and the new Apple Watch band for the Pride is here. Now we've had some of these since 2017. They've had different designs, they were different types of bands, they had, well, not different colors, basically the same colors. But yeah, these are usually really cool. It's not the first time we have had this one, which is a Braided Solo Loop. In fact, this was the other one that was released in 2021. But this one has something that none of these types of bands have had before. However, we will see it later when we unbox it. The price for this, as with every other Braided Solo Loop, is 99 euros, dollars or pounds. And do take into account that just like you see here, there is no option to adjust it. So you have to buy it with the right size from the get-go. In order to know your size, you can either go to an Apple store or you can do the process online. I have a video explaining how to do it somewhere here. But yeah, without further ado, let's get to it and unbox it. Okay, so here it is. Here we have it, the Apple Watch band. Now, this is one of the new types of boxes for Apple Watch bands that have this stripe here. They're smaller and they're more sustainable, of course, which is good. But yeah, we see the band here, of course. I'm interested in how different it will be from this one, so we will, of course, do a comparison. And at the back, you just have all the information. But yeah, let's proceed with the unboxing and open it up. And ooh, okay, this actually looks okay. Yeah, it is actually different, I would say. Of course, yeah, with these new types of bands, we do get an easy removal. That is nice. And here it is. Okay, let's put this one side by side with this other one. Okay, so these two are actually the same size. However, you will notice that this one is a bit longer, which probably means that it stretches over time. But yeah, it's pretty stretchy, of course, to put it on and off. But yeah, all in all, actually, they are really similar. But yeah, they have something different, you know. This one has like a more white background, whereas this one is like more colorful altogether. But yeah, if you have this one, you can probably skip this one, to be honest, because they really look very similar. Now, what I was talking about that was unique and a first for this band is that some of the braids here are actually double braided, which means that they are not just one color, they have one or two colors. It's hard to see. I will try to put a video or a photo of a very close up because this lens does not focus close enough for you to see. But yeah, that is a really cool touch, which is hard to see, but once you see it, you actually cannot unsee it. But yeah, we've waited long enough. Let's put it on the Apple Watch. In my case, I have the Apple Watch Ultra. It looks nice. Yeah, I just see it very similar to this one, to be honest. But it is cool. It is really cool because when you can see it more from the camera than from the actual real life, but it's like a zigzag pattern somehow. But yeah, it does look cool. And of course, we also have the exclusive watch face that comes with this band. And this is what the new watch face looks. As you can see, it's really cool because if you shake your wrist, all the balloons will actually move. And I actually really like how it matches the colors of the watch band, which of course is made on purpose. However, this is not a watch face I will usually use because I like those with a lot of complications. But yeah, this has been it for the unboxing. Now let's go ahead and finish the video. Okay, so yeah, that was the unboxing of the brand new 2024 Pride Apple Watch band. Now, as I said, there have been many different designs over the last 8 years in many different types of bands. However, I do find that this design is way too similar to the 2021 design that I just showed. Therefore, I would have liked Apple to do something more different, but of course I understand it's hard to come up with many different designs in the same colors once a year. And the previous Apple Watch band was for sale up until yesterday that this one was released. However, if you did not get the old one, you have the new chance with this one. Now, I personally think that I like the old one better, but this one is not bad either. So yeah, there'll probably be some people that like this one better, so if you didn't get the old one, definitely go for it. However, if you have the old one, unless you really saw a huge difference or think that this one is super cool or want it or collect all of them or something, I would say that you can just keep them because they're way too similar in my opinion. But yeah, this is gonna be everything from this video. Now, if you have any questions at all about this band, please let me know down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer. And also feel free to watch the reviews of all the previous Apple Watch bands that I have reviewed. If you like this video, please thumbs up to help the channel. And if you really love them and want to see more Apple related content, definitely subscribe because I post some every week. But yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.